Hey everybody, another random tool comments. This is a little different. This is about garden tools. Really specifically, this is about these Felco bypass pruners and Felco loppers that I have had for a while. You notice they look very dirty and very used. I will admit I'm not taking very good care of them. That said, they have served me extremely well. I think I've had them now, I don't know, 6-7 years. Had them for a while. I've really enjoyed them. I'm not really too much in the gardening, but I used to do like grow some strawberries and then grow a few other things. And meanwhile, you know, there's just things you have to trim around, whether they're plants or small trees or bushes or whatnot. And so I have some tools that I use. This is two. I'm going to talk about the Felcos. First, I'm going to talk about these pruners. This is a Felco 11. And like I said, I've had them for a while. I'm not taking good care of them. I have to apologize for that. That said, they're Felco's been around a while. They're Swiss made, and you can find them in a variety of places. But like for this particular, when I bought this, and I got this from Lee Valley, it also came with a leather, I guess, holster, and you can clip it in or put it on your belt. It's very nice. Even though I have not really taken good care of them, I need to clean them up and probably sharpen a bit. They still perform extremely well. They have, of course, your nice spring. You can adjust the tension. Of course, it has a little stop so you can keep them closed. The holster itself is leather and made in USA, extremely solid. Like I said, I really used the heck out of this. I really enjoyed it. I mentioned this over to the guy at Lone Star Mopars on his channel that these things are great. They're not German made, since that seems to be the in thing, but they are made in Switzerland, so if you're in for that sort of thing, they're great. To give you an idea, this is some no-name thing I actually think somebody else picked up for me some time ago. I don't really like them. They're okay. I mean, they work, sort of, but you can see that, you know, it's not really the same. And these are not even old. I think this is probably a year old, maybe 2. And they're fine. I don't really use them much though. I think my wife uses these more. But I really like these. They form fitting. They have the plastic dip handle that you see on most of the other tools, like the, you know, Knipex pliers or other like German made tools or European tools. It's pretty common. I think, honestly, considering how poorly I've maintained these, it's really a testament to how well they're made that they still perform extremely well. And you know, I really abused them. And in fact, I think I'll probably have a short follow-up where I'm going to clean these up and show you what they look like when they're cleaned up, just so you get an idea. So if you want to see new ones, of course, you can go find them. All places all over the place that show them. Now, so that's those. Then I got the loppers. Again, same thing. What's nice about them is they're very light because the handles are aluminum. This is a Felco 21. They have, again, this nice, super thick plastic handles. They're pretty comfortable, nice in the hands. They have stops, so like when you bring it together, they hit, which is a nice little shock absorber. You can remove the blades, of course, and do whatever you need to with them. Again, I have not maintained this well at all. That said, this thing still works extremely well. It's got serrated edge here for, you know, lopping off branches, and of course you can adjust the tension and whatnot. So again, wonderful tools. I am extremely happy I have these. They are pricey, but again, you're buying quality, and these certainly, in my mind at least, have delivered, and I'm sure will continue to deliver for many years for me. I would say that if you want something that's a step up above what you get, say, out of like your local home center, you know, big box stores, orange and blue, whatnot, that these guys will deliver. And they have lots of other tools. You know, this is just one style of many types of bypass pruners and other types of pruners, and they have a number of loppers and other tools. Again, these things are great. Felcos, I like them, and I'd say if you're going to look at getting something that's worthwhile, they are definitely worth looking at. Anyway, hope you like this. Hope it gives you just a view on something that A little different from what probably people normally see. Anyway, thanks again. Yeah. Here's some bonus footage on these Felco garden tools. I went and took a little time to was embarrassed, so I cleaned them up a bit. Again, you know, they're wonderful tools, but yeah, they clean up pretty well, of course, and whatnot. So anyway, I just figured you guys would like to see that. I can take care of them if I really put my thought into it. Anyway, thanks again.